Hello, welcome once again. I think we'll continue with the same chapter, that is programming of 8085 microprocessor. Okay, I think we are already done with, I think we are just continuing with arithmetic instructions. So we have seen the addition. Now we will see subtraction. Subtraction is little bit difficult. Subtraction, we are having again 6 instructions. Sub R, that is A is equal to A minus R. Any of the register will be there out of 7. Then this belongs to register addressing mode, 1 byte instruction. Sub M, A is equal to A minus M, register indirect addressing mode, 1 byte. Then SUI data, so A is equal to A minus data, immediate addressing mode, 2 byte instruction. Subtraction is not done directly. Okay, subtraction is done with the help of 2's complement method. This is very important. I think in 11th we have seen what is 2's complement method. So this is 2's complement method. Now there are two rules also. If the result is positive and carry is 1, then you have to reset the carry. Remember one thing, if your result is positive, you have to reset the carry. If your result is negative, and then you have to set the carry. So either one of the rules you remember, because this is a very important rule, and you will lose your marks if you don't set your carry flag or reset your carry flag. Okay, now let's take an example, that time it will be more clear. Now can you see sub R? Okay, sub R means A is equal to A minus B. Now let's I've just assumed that contents of A is equal to 55, contents of B is 25. This is before execution. I think everyone knows, and remember that 2's complement you have to remove only of the negative number. I think B is, before B we are having a negative sign, so this becomes a negative number. 2's complement of 25 is, I think this is 25 in binary. So as you already know, we have to write in 8 bits 2 and 5. So this is 1's complement, this is plus 1, that becomes a 2's complement. So this is nothing but a 2's complement of, I think everyone remember that 1's complement is just replacing 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. You have to add 1 to that, that becomes a 2's complement. Now can you see, this is nothing but 55 in binary, and this is 2's complement. Can you see this? This is 2's complement of B. So, and then you don't have to subtract, you have to add. Once you remove 2's complement, you have to add this. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 0, carry 1. Now can you see, that's why auxiliary carry is set. So everywhere 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0. Now here we go. So here also there is a carry. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that becomes 3. So 1 here and carry 1. So this becomes 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So can you see, this is like you got, and the final answer has to be in accumulator. So answer is 30H. Okay, that is in accumulator. Contents of B will not change, that will be as it is. Can you see, this is positive result, because if your sign flag is 0, that becomes positive. Just now we have seen the rule, if the result is positive, then carry flag has to be 0. Okay, then we have to check about auxiliary carry flag and parity flag. So parity flag is 1, because you have to check the number of ones. So your result doesn't affect, but can you see the carry flag? Here we are having a carry flag as 1 beta. We are having carry flag as 1, but here we have written carry flag as 0. The reason is we are just following the rule. I think just now I showed you the rule, and I have written here also, if result is positive, then carry has to be 0. Simple. Now I've taken the second example, subtract register from accumulator. I think this, not register has to be there, this has to be memory. Okay, I think this is like copy paste. So I think you can understand that this is nothing but a memory here. Okay, since it is memory, it has to be indirect. Okay, so A is equal to 25. M means what? HL pair. HL pair will be having some address, and that address is having 55. Now can you see, it is going to be negative, because accumulator value is smaller than the second value. Okay, but we have to remove the 2's complement only of the negative value, that is of whatever M is holding. So this is 55. So we have to just remove 2's complement of that. This is 2's complement of 55. Remember that negative value, 2's complement has to be removed of negative value only, not of positive. Now can you see this is accumulator value is 2 5, that is 25, that is not changed. Can you see memory is like 2's complement, then we have to add it. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Can you see auxiliary 1 minute, auxiliary carry flag has to be set. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 0, carry 1. Yes, it has to be set. I think there are small mistakes because I think auxiliary carry flag has to be 1. Okay, then this has to be, can you see here, this is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus, okay, so I think this is perfect. Now this is nothing but D and this is nothing but 0. Now can you see we got this. So since the negative value, since it is negative value, carry flag has to be 1. Right now you can see we don't have any carry, but since we are following the rule, carry flag has to be 1. And we cannot have parity because odd number of ones, no 0. So 3 flags are set: auxiliary, carry and sign flag. I hope you got it. Now same way we have just taken SUI data. So SUI data, A is equal to A minus data. Now can you see accumulator content is AB and this is 55. This is going to be positive because this value is greater than this. Okay, so when you but you have to remove the 2's complement of 55, that is your data. So when you remove it, I think we will be getting this 1010 and 1011, which is written in red. Now you have to add up. So this is A, this is B. Now when you add up, I think we will be 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, but since there is 2 ones are there and 1 is carry, so 1 this is 1 you have to write here, units place, and 1 will be carry. So here, now can you see auxiliary carry flag is set. This is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. So your answer is actually 156, but accumulator will be having 56. But since the result is positive, you have to write the carry flag as 0. So this is a rule, and can you see parity flag will be set because there are 4 ones in the result. So I hope you got this. Now I think subtraction, there is one more concept, SBBR. Now SBB means accumulator minus register minus carry, but in subtraction, carry is known as borrow. Subtraction, carry is known as borrow. Okay, so A is equal to A minus R minus borrow, A is equal to A minus M minus borrow. Okay, A is equal to A minus data minus. So can you see SBB R, SBB M and SBI data? Now I think same concept, subtraction is done with the help of 2's complement method. Same rules. If it is result is positive, carry flag has to be 0. If result is negative, carry flag has to be 1. I think set means 1, reset means 0. Okay, now let's take an example, SBBR. So what do you mean by this? Subtract register and borrow from accumulator. So SBBC, so A minus C minus carry. So can you see that what we did? Accumulator content is 55. C register, I think here has to be C because again the copy paste. So C has to be 25 and carry flag has to be I think 1. So what we did is before we go ahead, we did it, I think what is the best thing, we will change it to SBBB. Okay, instead of C, let us change it to B, SBBB. So 25 plus 1, because sign is same, so what we can do, we can add it. So 25 plus 1, 26. So can you see this is 2, this is 6. So we are not because otherwise we have to remove 1's complement, 2's complement of this also. So what is the best thing, since the signs are same? Okay, so I'll just show you, like minus 25 and minus 1. So since the sign is same, we are just considering as minus 26. So we will be removing 2's complement of not of 25, 26. So when you remove 2's complement of 26, can you see I have written here 26, will be getting this. Okay, then accumulator value will not change. Okay, so you have to add up. This is 2's complement of 26. I think this is nothing, only b plus carry, both has to be there. Okay, so 1 1 1 1, so 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay, then I think you can see this, since the result is positive, carry flag has to be 0, and there is no auxiliary carry, parity is not set, so no flag is set. I hope you got this, but we got a new value in accumulator, that is 2f. Okay, now let's take one more example. Sub m, subtract memory and borrow from accumulator. So sub m, a is equal to a minus m minus carry. So can you see a is equal to 55, m value is 88 plus 1, that is 89, because b carry also we have to consider. Okay, so can you see they have taken 80 subtraction, I think 80, I think then we have to change it, subtract, I think memory contents we will change it, because otherwise this will become wrong. So let's take memory contents as 87. Okay, so 87 plus 1, that becomes 88. So we have to remove 2's complement of 88. So this is 1's complement plus 1. So this becomes 2's complement of 88. So I think again, I think copy paste concept. This has to be memory and carry. So don't write it here as B. Okay, this has to be M. Okay, because of memory. Now after this, when we add up, this is 2's complement of 88, because the value of M is 87 and carry is 1, so we have to add up. Now can you see 1 0 1 1, so no auxiliary carry. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. Okay, and this one has to be written here. So answer is C, D. Okay, and memory is I think that has to be wrong. This has to be 87 only, because we cannot change this. Okay, this has to be 87. Okay, now after since the result is negative, can you see, since the result is negative, so you are having negative value, so sign flag has to be 1 and carry flag has to be 0. Okay, we are following the same rules. Now the last instruction is SBI data, subtract data and borrow from accumulator. So SBB, this is again copy paste. So it has to be SBI, I think data. Okay, so let's take accumulator value. I've made it as 55 only, data is 5 and borrow is 1, so this will become 6. So can you see, this is binary 6. Okay, so 2's complement of 6 is I think this is 1's complement plus 1. So when you add up, I think this is, can you see, 6. Okay, so 0 1 0 plus 1 is 1 1 1 1 1, so no auxiliary carry. Then 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry. Then 1 plus 1 is, I think this will be carry, 0 1. Now your answer is 4F and your data is same. Data will be 5 only, because carry flag is different. Okay, now since the result is positive, no carry has been generated, no parity also, no flag is set. So I hope you understood. I think one or two places this has to be SBI data, but here also I think 87.8. Rest everything is okay, small errors, no problem. But I hope you understood that this SBBM, SBBR, SBBM means along with borrow. Okay, and here you can see that this is with normal, like with sub SUBR, SUBM and SUI data. So remember, two very important thing is subtraction is not done directly, it has to be done with 2's complement. After removing 2's complement of negative number, you have to add, not subtract. Okay, and you have to follow these two rules. If the result is positive, carry flag has to be 0. If the result is negative, carry flag has to be set. I hope you understood. Just practice while taking many examples. Okay, So we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.